If you want to hide memories from a specific date range on Facebook, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in a very simple way. This is helpful if you want to avoid seeing memories from certain periods of your life, like a difficult time, an old chapter, or just dates you no longer want Facebook to resurface. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. You can do this on a desktop or laptop, and using a browser is the easiest way to access the memory settings clearly. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left side menu on Facebook's homepage. You should see an option called Memories. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll a little through the menu until you find it. Go ahead and click Memories. This will open the Memories page, where Facebook shows you past posts, photos, and activities from different dates. On this page, you're looking for the setting that lets you control which memories appear. Usually, you'll find an option called Hide Dates. Click that option to manage the date ranges you want to block from memories. Now Facebook will let you add a new date range. Click Add New Date Range. This is the part where you can choose the specific time period you want Facebook to hide from your memories. Enter the start date and the end date for the range you want to exclude. Be careful here and make sure the dates are correct, because this controls exactly what will no longer show up in your memories feed. After you've set the date range, click Save. Once you do that, Facebook will apply the change and stop showing memories from that period. That means when Facebook tries to surface old posts or photos from those dates, they will be hidden from view. It's a quick setting, but it can make a big difference if you want a more controlled memories experience. If you ever want to change this later, you can always come back to the Memories section and edit or remove the hidden date range. So if you made a mistake or your preferences change, Facebook gives you the flexibility to update it again. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide memories from a specific date range in Facebook. It only takes a few clicks, but it gives you much more control over what shows up in your memories. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.